Hi everyone, so this is going to be a very important and very interesting video. So in this video we are going to discuss how much marks you need to score in GATE 2025 to at least get an interview call in IITs or IISC. Okay, in VLSI related branch like electronic system, it could be electronic system, it could be integrated circuit, it could be VLSI itself, it could be microelectronics VLSI itself. Okay, so these kind of branch. Now the first question that would be coming, sir, how do you know how much marks you need to score? Because it depends on the toughness level of the question paper. Yeah, I accept this point and I have answer of this point as well. Let's move in the video. I will answer you why I am saying that 45 marks are enough. How I can say the marks, because marks will depend on the toughness level of the question paper. But I will give you a realistic data. I will give you a realistic approach how I am saying these marks. Okay. So let's start with our video. So what is the score required to get an interview call in VLSI related specialization in IITs or IISC? So EC guy would need roughly around 600. That is the worst case, or like a decent case, you can say. Electrical would need 650 and instrumentation would need 650 or around 700, you can say. Okay. So this is the score that is required. Now let's do the marks versus rank versus score analysis of the previous year papers. Now I will tell one by one. I will tell the toughness level of all the question paper one by one, because I know the marks of toppers, I know how the question paper was set. So GATE 2018, it would be very tough, I would say, or tough. Toppers marks was around 82 marks. So from here you can tell how much tough it was. Okay, topper was scoring 82 marks, so it was a tough question paper. And in that tough question paper, you are scoring 41.67 and your score was around 600. You would get an interview call here. 2021, it was also tough, 43.33 and you are getting an interview call. 2022, it was also considered tough, but here I don't have the exact data. So roughly around the star marks means rough data. Okay, this is not the exact data, rough data. So if you are getting a marks around 44, then you are getting an interview call. GATE 2023, it was very easy actually. It was easy. Okay, toppers marks was 90. Although he was an educator, but still near to 90 marks was also there. It was easy. It was not that tough. But even if you are scoring 50 marks there, 50 marks were very, very easy to score. If someone has attempted GATE 2023 question paper, he would say 50 marks was not that tough to score there. Okay, and you are getting an interview call there as well. And in GATE 2024, it was also very tough, and 42 marks will get you an interview call. This is 41.67, so 598 score. So around 42 marks will get you an interview call. So if we take an average, if we see now what can you expect in GATE 2025? So I am telling this thing, okay, 95% chances is there that question paper will be tough only. It would be of this level or at least this level. Okay, there is very rare chance that it is going to be easy. You can see the question paper of 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. It were always tough. Considering EC, it is always coming tough only. Okay, in 2023, by surprise, it came easy on easier side, but it was also not that easy, I would say. But still, 50 marks. Can you see it? In an easy question paper, 50 marks. But there is very high chance that they are not going to make an easy question paper, because if you are going into IITs for masters, they are expecting that you have the good knowledge or in-depth knowledge of the subject, not just the problem solving skills. You need the in-depth knowledge of the subjects as well. So they are framing good questions, they are framing good questions from NPTEL, they are checking your mental ability as well. So you can expect a good amount of questions. Okay, and it would be 95% chance I am saying that it would be tough only. And if we take an average, okay, if we take the worst case, I am saying here 45 marks would be more than enough to get an interview call. No, I should not say more than enough. 45 marks would be enough to get an interview call. Around 45 marks if you are scoring in GATE 2025, it would be enough to get an interview call. This is my estimation and I am 95% sure that it would go right only. Okay. Let's talk about electrical now. So these were the data. I hope with the help of these data you will be inclined towards my thoughts. Now it's not that I am blindly putting any marks that this should be enough or that should be enough. But here I have given the data, I have told the level of toughness of the question paper, and based on that I am deciding if like these things are inclining with my thoughts or not. Okay, let's go to electrical now. So in electrical, these are the marks for rank analysis. Now you will say, sir, in 2021 you need to score around 58 marks. Here also in 2022 you need to score around 58 marks. These question paper were very easy. 90 plus score in these question paper. 90 plus score was of roughly around 3 to 4 students. 90 plus score in 2021 and 2022. But from past 2 years they are framing good question paper. They are framing tough question paper. The star mark means roughly around score. Okay, this is not the exact data. I did not get exact data, so I read the report of IITs. They give the report like how much how students have performed. So based on that report, I have made these data. These are the exact ones. Okay, these are the exact ones. I somehow arranged these exact data, and these are the approximated one. So in these approximated one, you see the level of toughness in 2023 and 2024. From past 2 years, the question paper is coming tough only. Okay, and there is very high chance. I cannot say that I am 95% sure here. Here I can say I am 80 or 75% sure that question paper will be tough only for electrical as well. So you can see the level of toughness that you are scoring around 47.33 marks and you are getting an interview call. Like around 48 marks or 49 marks would be more than enough to get an interview call. And this GATE 2024 question paper personally was not that tough. I would say it was moderate to tough, because here easy questions were very easy and scoring 50 marks was not that tough in this question paper. But if you go on solving a lot of problems, if you just mess up your strategy in the examination hall, then you would mess this question paper up. But if you see the question paper on top level, you would say that 50 marks was very easy. Okay, so it was also not that tough. So in electrical, I am saying no matter how they frame the question paper, okay, no matter how they frame the question paper in GATE 2025, if you are scoring roughly around 50 marks, that would be more than enough for you. In EC I said it would be 45 marks, and electrical I am saying no matter how the question paper is being set, the question paper will not come in this manner. Okay, it will not be of this level, that I am assuming, or I am mostly sure that they will not frame this much easy question paper, because 90 plus there were 3 to 4 students. They will not let this thing happen. They will frame good level of questions, and 50 marks should be enough to get an interview call in IITs. So that is the, like, after doing the whole analysis, I am assuming 50 marks should be enough for your upcoming examination. Okay, so in GATE 2025 you can target 50 marks. Actually, we should never target marks in the examination. We should just solve the questions that is coming in front of us. That is our only target in the examination hall. But like how much marks you need to prepare, that I am telling, because there are a lot of guys who will be starting right from the zero now. So for them I am making this video. So electrical, you must have seen these data. You must have seen the trend of past 2 years. So 50 marks should be more than enough. That I am telling. Let's go to Instru. In instrumentation, I got the data of 22, 23 and 24, and these are approximated data. Okay, and instrumentation question paper are being set easy side only. Okay, it would be on easier side. And the thing is, in instrumentation, a lot of EC guys and electrical guys comes, and they score very well there. So that's why the marks are being increased, because in instrumentation the thing is, from common subjects there will be 75 marks question from common subject, at least I am saying. Okay, from common subjects. Common subject means the common subject which are common for electrical students as well, for EC students as well, and they will be on easier side. And if they are in or in easier side, you can any day, on your bad day as well, you can score 60 marks from there. And if you are able to score 60 marks, you are getting an interview call. You are getting a score around 700 in 60 marks. So instrumentation, I will tell you to target 55 to 60 marks, because that would be on easier side. So if you are an electrical student or EC student, I will highly recommend to write instrumentation question paper as well, because in common subject you can score very well, and even in the non-core subject, let's just say sensors and industrial instrumentation or optical instrumentation, with your basic aptitude you will be able to score, you will be able to solve those problems as well with your basic aptitude only. Okay, even like I told, I have also made a video where I have solved the question paper live. How did I attempt? I was from EC background. In GATE 2022 I attempted my question paper. In EC background I was, and in instrumentation I scored 45 rank, and I solved a lot of questions from instrumentation background. And how did I solve that, what aptitude I used, I have made a 30-minute video for that as well. You can check that out. Okay, so a lot of guys will be able to solve in that manner. So in instrumentation the cutoff will also rise, like for IITs the cutoff will also rise. So roughly around 55 marks would be enough for instrumentation guys. with the level of question paper I am thinking that they will set. They will set easy question paper only, moderate to easy you can say. It will not come that tough. And in like from common subjects only you will be getting around 75 marks. So we would target around 55 marks in instrumentation. So based on the previous year data, we can assume that 55 marks should be enough in instrumentation. So this is the marks target. EC 45, electrical 50 marks, instrumentation 55 marks. I am again saying that I completely respect the rule that it would depend on the toughness level of the question paper, but with the past years of question paper, we can assume how the question paper will be coming in GATE 2025 and what IITs professors are thinking, how much they are expecting from the student and what kind of level of questions they are going to set. So based on that previous year analysis, based on the previous year data, I am assuming these marks should be enough for us to get an interview call. Okay. Now the thing is, now let's just talk about marks distribution now. Okay. So if we are talking about EC, then network analysis, control system, analog electronics, digital signal, mathematics and aptitude. These are the core subjects, and EMFT these are the non-core subject, or you can say common subjects. And EMFT I have taken one core subject. You can take any core subject here, EMFT or EDC or communication. So it will be asked for around 80 marks. Same goes for electrical. Okay, the core subjects I have taken power electronics, EMFT and measurements. EMFT and measurements will be very small in electrical part, and power electronics is also of around 65 to 70 hours only. So they will be of also around 80 marks, and in instrumentation as well, these subjects EMFT and measurements are the core and common subjects. So these will be also around 80 marks. And if you are studying from a good resource, if you are studying from a good educator, or those who teach the concept in depth, not just from the surface level, those who teach the concept from depth, and also they just not run behind the calculation or just increasing the length of their lecture. Those teachers who goes into the depth and tell you how to approach a particular problem. If you are studying from those resources, then if you are preparing for 80 marks, there is a certain way that you can score around 50 marks any day. On your bad day as well, you can score around 50 marks. Okay, even if you are having a bad day, if you have studied for 80 marks, and it is possible to study for 80 marks in 150 days, and that I will tell you how you can study. Already I have made a video there. I have told you how to study these subjects. Okay, now this would be one question. Then now people will say, and I also respect this statement as well, that you need to cover the complete syllabus. Like, cover the complete syllabus. Why should you drop any particular subject? Now what if the subject that you are dropping, from that subject they are asking easy question? Let's just say I drop communication system and EDC, and they ask easy question from that subject. So I should cover those subjects from crash course. Okay, and rest some subjects I can cover from crash course as well. So in that way I can manage the time. I will tell you one simple reality. From crash course you are never going to score well in your examination. I have seen a lot of students, a lot of batchmates with me, those who followed crash course, they ended up messing their examination. Okay, they ended up messing their examination very badly. If you follow the crash course, I will tell you one thing, you will not be able to score even the easier question. I am not saying that crash courses are not good enough. We just put a lot of efforts in making the crash courses. Crash courses are enough for the students who want to revise. Those are good for the students who want to revise, or those who already have some knowledge of the previous subject. Let's just say I am following the crash course of signal system, then I should have like not sound knowledge, at least a good knowledge of the subject signal systems already. Then I can follow the crash course and proceed in the subject. But if I am starting from the beginning, if I am starting from the zero, and if I follow the crash course, I will end up messing up the easier question as well, and I will get negative marks there. So I have seen a lot of people messing up there. I respect this statement that easy questions can come from the subjects that you have dropped. But the thing is, if we run behind completing the syllabus, then we will mess up the tougher subject as well. And the way I teach, I take full guarantee that if I am teaching a particular subject, then all the questions will be asked from the class notes itself. You will not have to refer to any other resource. So if that guarantee any educator is taking, and if you are studying from him, then even if you have studied 7 to 8 subjects only, you will be able to do very well in your examination, because you will be going with the selective approach that I need to solve these many questions, and in that manner only I need to solve. And also you must have attempted some mock test as well before the real examination, so you will also have the idea how to attempt the examination. Now, how to prepare, how to get the correct guidance, so you can prepare with us. This is our course, Road to IITs or IISC GATE 2025. So here we will be giving the recorded lecture. For this, I have also already made a video. That link I will put in the description. So there I have given the complete roadmap how to cover the subjects, which subjects we need to cover. But let's just hold to the end of the video. I will tell you other things as well. And there will be test series, there will be class notes, there will be WhatsApp doubt solving group. And once you enroll in the course, I will give one-to-one live session as well, that how you need to proceed, where you stand, and which lectures you need to complete, and then I will judge your pace, and based on that I will give you the next task. So these kind of that manner I am giving you, and not monthly, in 10 to 15 days I will be getting in touch with you, that how much have you done, and how you are proceeding. And there will be WhatsApp doubt solving group as well. There you can ask your technical doubts, non-technical doubts, and I personally will be clearing all the doubts. Okay, I am not hiring any rankers or anything like that. Those guys will be clearing it out. I personally will be clearing your doubts. Okay, and enrollment will close on 3rd of September, because after that, if we are taking the student, that would be of no use. Because why that so? Because if we are taking the student after that, then there will be less than 150 days left, and that would be too much late for the students to come. So 3rd of September will be your last date to enroll. Now there are conditions as well, which I have already explained, that what are the important points. This is the course price, that is 5,999, and if you are not able to score a good rank around 1,000, because I have full confidence on my content and on my guidance as well, on my mentorship as well, that if I am taking 100 students, then at least 70 to 75 students I will get their admission in IITs. Okay, so if you are not able to score, somehow like some things has happened, if you are not able to proceed in the manner that I have told, then I will be refunding the amount of 3,000. 3,000 I will be taking, because I have put a lot of effort on you. So for that I will be taking 3,000 of amount, because for 150 days or even after that, because you will be going to the interview process. So in the interview process as well, I need to tell from where you need to study, what you need to study, how much you need to study. You will be studying from me only for interview preparation as well. So for that amount of thing, I will be charging 3,000 rupees, and the rest 3,000 rupees I will be refunding you if you are not able to score well in your examination. It could be any way. I will not be asking you why you were not able to score well. Simply I will make the refund of 3,000 if you are not able to score well in your examination. Okay, and enrollment will close on 3rd of September, and maximum seat I am allowing 100 students only, because I will not be able to guide more than 100 students. Okay, so this is the thing, and course language is English, but Hindi people will be certainly able to understand, because a lot of like 70% of the students are there who can understand Hindi easily in our paid courses. So if you are someone who is thinking that how I will be able to understand English, then once you go into the depth of the concept, you will not even be thinking that he is speaking English or Hindi. Okay, and this is the flow of completion. Okay, this flow of completion I have already shown, so you can see it, how like in how much time which subject will be completed. For signal system, we will be giving you a resources, because we personally will not be able to complete the signal system part. So for signal system, we will be telling you a resource from where you can study. Okay, and who will take which subject. So this is the flow, like these teachers will be taking these subjects. Okay, and who should enroll in the course? So only those students who can manage 6 to 7 hours or 7 to 8 hours per day. So those who have enough time, those who are inclined towards GATE examination, they only should enroll in the course. And if you have completed less than 3 subjects, if you have completed more than 3 subjects, then you have the capability of covering the complete syllabus. So you can enroll in our course if you have completed less than 3 subjects. Even if you have completed more than 3 subjects, then also there is something for you. So you can wait till the end of the video. There is something for you. And if you are comfortable with the basic mathematics, like you need to know basics of integration, basics of differentiation. Like if you don't even know what is the differentiation of x, then it will take you a lot of time to cover the things, because these basic things you need to know. Okay, because in 150 days if you are preparing, then if we start from the basics mathematics of 11th and 12th, then it will be very tough. This is the practical scenario I am telling. Okay, and if you are looking for a rank around 1,000 and securing a seat in IITs or IISC in a good specialization, then you can come to us. If you are looking for a rank around 100 or 200, then this program is not for you. You must be preparing in your own manner for 100 or 200 rank. In your own manner, you must be preparing. So in 150 days, If you are starting from zero, then I can I can at least guide for getting a rank around 1000, right? Now, what if you don't have trust on our platform or on yourself? Like you don't know whether you will be able to run 7 to 8 hours per day or not. So what you can do, this playlist is freely available. Network analysis playlist is freely available. The enrollment will close on 3rd of September. So you have enough time till that date. So you have 3 to 4 days. So you can start covering the syllabus from here. Okay. Start covering the syllabus of network analysis from here. You will see how we are teaching. If you are not inclined with our teaching, then you can proceed to some other coachings as well. And if you are able to study 7 to 8 hours, you are inclined with our teaching as well, then certainly you can come with us. If you don't have the trust on our platform and on yourself, if you have the trust, then you can directly come. Okay. So enrollment will close on 3rd of September. So that keeping that thing in your mind, you have to judge us as well and yourself as well. Okay. Right. Now there would be some students who have already enrolled in other courses. They will follow their courses, but they don't have proper guidance, proper one-to-one guidance, because I know there are a lot of coachings which will not provide you a one-to-one guidance, and they have the restrictions as well, because there will be a lot of students and it would be very tough to take a session of to take one-to-one session of a guy. But we are not a big coaching, right? So we have that time, or we can say we can manage the time to take the one-to-one session. So if you are already enrolled in some other courses, there are other courses as well. If you are already enrolled there and you are following their course, so here I am not taking any guarantee that I will get your admission in IITs, because you are following their courses. I don't know how they are teaching. I am not sure about their content. I am sure about my content. I can take guarantee of my content. I can take guarantee that if you are following my content, then there will not be any interview question or any question in your GATE examination where you will be stucking. Okay. So that guarantee I can take, but here I cannot take any guarantee. But one guarantee I can take, that I will not let you complain for the guidance. Okay, there will be no complaints for the guidance. I will giving you the complete guidance, how to how to study, when to study, when to study, that is up to you. But how to study, which subject you need to study now, and how to proceed in your preparation, how to do the revision, when to do the revision, and what is the process of revision. So these kind of things I will be certainly able to tell. So if you are someone who has already enrolled in some other courses and looking for a proper guidance for next 150 days and also for upcoming interviews as well, so they can come here. Okay, so this is I will put the link in the description. This is my topnet profile. So you will go there. You have to make the payment 2,499. This is the price I am taking. Okay, or if it is high, then you can tell us. We can think of reducing the price, but here I will be spending a lot of time, I will be giving. So I will be spending time on you. So if I am spending time on you, then I was thinking that I can expect some money. So yeah, so this much amount of money we are taking. So what you need to do, you just need to go to the link that is given in the description. Okay, so you will click on that particular link. You will schedule a meeting there. Anytime you can schedule the meeting. You can schedule the meeting on 3rd of September, 4th of September, 10th of September. You can schedule the meeting. Forget about that particular meeting. I will get in touch with you personally, and I will I will complete the meeting as per our convenience. Okay, you just need to go there and just schedule a meeting on any time. But once you schedule the meeting, I will get your contact number. So I will contact you from our WhatsApp. From WhatsApp only I will contact you, and then we can we can talk and we can schedule a meeting. Okay, so it's not necessary that if you are scheduling a meeting on 3rd of September, then it will be scheduled on 3rd of September only. Okay, it can be scheduled before as well. So we will schedule a meeting as per the convenience, and then we can talk about your preparation and what we are going to do, what else you are going to get here. So you will be added to a WhatsApp group as well. So there we will be clearing your doubts. So here we will be taking the non-technical doubts, not technical doubts. In this program, we will be taking non-technical doubts. Why not technical doubts? Because you are studying from some other educator. He can clear your technical doubts, right? Or we are not habitual of their teaching. Like they must be teaching in some other manner. He must be meaning something different from a particular question. I might be meaning something different from a particular question. So here we will not be taking technical doubts, but we can certainly take your non-technical doubts, or 1 or 2 technical doubts also we can take. If you are finding so much of difficulty, then we can take some of the technical doubts as well. But majorly we will be taking your non-technical doubts. You will be added to a WhatsApp group and you will be in our contact as well. You will have the WhatsApp number of us. So by us means Anish and Himanshu's. Okay. So we will be giving you a proper guidance, proper roadmap that how you can proceed. Like we will not give you the proper roadmap of 150 days. We are not making any Excel sheet here that on this day you need to study that. Nah, nothing like that. We will like tell you in 10 days you need to cover this thing. Then we will judge your pace on based on that pace. We will tell you the further task. Okay. But here there is no refund policy because you are studying from some other resource. So here there is no refund policy. So if you are looking for a guidance, then you can come here. So this is the plan, and like you will be getting in, you will be regular in touch in 10 to 15 days with your mentors, and you can ask your non-technical doubt how to proceed in preparation and all kind of things. And here also enrollment will close on 3rd of September, because after that we will not be able to arrange the time, because after that 150 days only will be left, and those much days are required to prepare for GATE. Okay. So yeah, that's it from my side. If you have any other doubt, you can put in our comment section, and you can see our other courses. The subject wise courses are there. If you are someone who is preparing for GATE 2025 or 2026 or 2027, then these subject wise courses are there which you can complete. Analog course is there, aptitude course is there, engineering mathematics course is there, and placement course are also there. And such like this, very soon power electronics course will also come, digital electronics course will also come, AMFT measurements, these courses will also come. So you can go with the subject wise courses as well. And if you are studying from any resource, from other resource, then you can at least make the you can purchase the test series. If you want to purchase the test series, you can purchase the test series. And this guarantee I am taking, the kind of question, like the kind of questions we have set here, in no test series you would ever see these kind of problems. Okay, the level of problems I have set here, that it's not that I am setting a question which is very lengthy. In 2 lines only there will be solution, and it will not click to you. That's the thing. So these kind of questions I am setting here, so that like the things clicks to you, like how to proceed in the examination. In 2 lines only you will be able to solve, and you will be solving that particular question in 2 pages, but the solution will be of 2 lines only. So these kind of questions are there. We are putting a lot of time in making this test series, and we are providing video solutions as well. For each question there is video solution. For each and every question we are providing video solutions. So that's why the prices are a bit high. For network analysis test series 199 is price, and for aptitude 149, and this was free test series. And analog electronics there is 399 price, because we are providing video solutions and the level of problems are also very good. So these are our courses, and this is the end of the video. So the motive of this video was to like aware you that selective study can also get you a rank. Okay, selective study is also enough. If you are running behind crash courses, like crash courses are good, and I respect those teachers who make crash courses, because it takes a lot of effort. I know as an educator how much efforts it takes to make any course. So I respect those teachers, but the thing is, crash courses are good enough or helpful for those students who already have some basic idea of the particular subject. So this is the plan I had, that we will be doing the selective studies, and we will be covering these subjects, and in the examination we will be very confident in attempting our question paper. So that's it from my side. If you have any other doubt, you can put in comment section. Thank you very much.